The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, and for good reason. It's where meals are made, family gathers, and memories are shared. But let's face it, it's also one of the most chaotic spaces. With constant cooking, meal prep, and the never-ending task of storing everything from snacks to spices, it doesn't take long for clutter to take over. The good news: you don't need to spend a small fortune to bring order to this essential space. Today, we'll show you how to transform your kitchen into a neat and functional haven using only dollar store products. Yes, everything you need is affordable and right at your fingertips. Let's start with the pantry, a space that seems to spiral into chaos in the blink of an eye. Between bags of chips, half-empty boxes of pasta, and cans rolling around, it's easy to lose track of what you have. But don't worry, this is an easy fix. Head to your local dollar store and pick up some clear plastic bins or baskets. These are perfect for grouping similar items. For example, designate one bin for snacks, another for baking supplies, and a third for canned goods. The clear design allows you to see exactly what's inside at a glance, saving you time and frustration. To take it a step further, grab some chalkboard labels or printable stickers. Label each bin by category, and suddenly your pantry looks not just tidy, but Pinterest-worthy. Next up, let's tackle spices, those little jars that always seem to hide just when you need them. We all know the frustration of digging through a cluttered cabinet, hunting for that elusive jar of paprika or cumin. The good news is that the dollar store has everything you need to organize them beautifully. Look for small glass jars or plastic containers with secure lids. Transferring your spices into these matching jars not only creates a uniform, tidy look, but also makes finding what you need much easier. Don't forget to label each jar clearly for quick identification. For added convenience, pick up a small tiered shelf or spice rack, also available at the dollar store. This setup makes cooking more efficient and your kitchen visually stunning. Now let's move on to the fridge, a space that somehow becomes cluttered no matter how often you clean it. With family members constantly raiding it for snacks, leftovers, or drinks, keeping it organized can feel like an uphill battle. But don't worry, the dollar store has your back. Grab some small bins or baskets that fit neatly onto fridge shelves. Designate one bin for fruits, another for vegetables, and a third for dairy products like cheese and butter. For even more efficiency, create a dedicated snack bin so everyone knows exactly where to look for a quick bite. To corral smaller items such as yogurt cups, juice boxes, or condiment packets, pick up some plastic drawer organizers. With everything in its place, your fridge will not only stay tidy, but also look like something straight out of an Instagram-worthy home organization ad. Let's not forget about the freezer, a space that seems to swallow food into an icy oblivion. Freezers are notorious for becoming disorganized black holes where items disappear for months. Avoid this chaos with wire baskets from the dollar store. Use one for frozen vegetables, another for meats, and a third for pre-cooked meals or leftovers. Label each basket clearly and make it a habit to rotate older items to the front to ensure nothing gets forgotten. This simple system not only keeps your freezer tidy, but also helps you track what you have, saving both time and reducing unnecessary food waste. Now, let's tackle the drawers in your kitchen, starting with the infamous junk drawer, the one bursting with random batteries, pens, twist ties, and who knows what else. It's the catch-all spot that somehow never stays organized. Fortunately, the dollar store offers an easy fix. Pick up small plastic or acrylic dividers that fit snugly inside your drawer. Use these to create compartments for each type of item. One section for pens, another for batteries, and so on. With everything neatly separated, you'll no longer have to dig through a chaotic pile. Suddenly, finding a pen, scissors, or even that stray paperclip becomes quick and stress-free. For your utensil drawer, dollar stores often stock expandable organizers or small bins that can be pieced together to create the perfect layout. Use these to neatly separate your forks, knives, and spoons, ensuring everything is easy to find. For specialty utensils like a garlic press, whisk, or tongs, designate their own section to keep them from getting tangled with everyday cutlery. This simple yet effective system eliminates the hassle of rummaging through a jumbled drawer, making mealtime prep smoother and more efficient. Let's talk cabinets. These can get messy fast, especially when you're dealing with pots, pans, and lids. At the dollar store, you can often find wire racks or plate organizers. Use these to stack your pans vertically, so they're easier to grab without toppling a tower of cookware. For lids, look for a small dish rack. It's the perfect way to keep them upright and easy to access. Now, for those awkward under-the-sink spaces. This area often becomes a dumping ground for cleaning supplies and random kitchen items. Pick up some plastic bins or caddies with handles from the dollar store. Use one for cleaning products, another for sponges and scrubbers, and a third for miscellaneous items like garbage bags. A tension rod, yes, the kind used for curtains, can also be a game changer. Install it under the sink and use it to hang spray bottles. This keeps them off the bottom of the cabinet, freeing up more space. If counter clutter is your nemesis, dollar store trays and baskets are your best friends. Use a tray to corral frequently used items like salt, pepper, and cooking oil. This not only keeps your counters tidy, but also makes it easier to wipe them down. For smaller appliances like a toaster or blender, look for baskets that match your kitchen decor. Grouping these items together instantly creates a more organized look. We can't forget about the coffee or tea station. If you're a caffeine enthusiast, you know how quickly coffee pods, tea bags, and sugar packets can take over. Dollar stores often carry small bins or stackable containers that are perfect for creating a dedicated coffee station. Use one bin for pods, another for tea bags, and a third for sweeteners. You can even find small glass jars for creamer or sugar. Arrange everything on a tray or shelf, and your mornings will feel so much more streamlined. For those of you with kids, organizing snacks can feel like an endless battle. But here's a fun idea. Grab some small bins or containers with lids from the dollar store and let your kids decorate them. Use these bins to store their favorite snacks and place them on a lower shelf so they're easy to reach. Not only will this keep things tidy, but it also empowers your kids to grab their own snacks. Now let's talk about your trash and recycling area. Even this space can be spruced up with dollar store finds. Look for small bins that fit under your sink or in a pantry. Use one for trash and another for recyclables. To keep smells at bay, pick up some adhesive air fresheners or baking soda packets, which are often available at dollar stores. A tidy trash area might seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the overall feel of your kitchen. Lastly, let's tackle meal prep and leftovers. Dollar stores are a treasure trove of affordable food storage containers. Look for ones with matching lids. No more hunting for the right top. Use larger containers for meal prep and smaller ones for individual servings. You can even grab some dry erase markers to write dates on the lids, ensuring you always know what's fresh. By now, your entire kitchen is probably feeling like a brand new space. And the best part, you didn't break the bank to achieve it. The dollar store is an amazing resource for affordable and creative organization solutions. Whether it's your pantry, fridge, or drawers, there's a product that can help you bring order to every corner of your kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your local dollar store and start transforming your kitchen today.